What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over this Peak Refuel. This is the premium mountain berry granola mix, and this is absolutely amazing, everybody. I actually have a 2-pack of these, but what I wanna do in this one, I just kinda wanna go over and show you kind of the ingredients and what this thing is. So basically, the expiration date is very far away on this. It's 2034, and this is probably 2 years old right now. And then to prepare it, you basically open the pouch, carefully add 1 cup, which is 8 ounces of cold water to this pouch. This pouch is actually your bowl. Zip pouch up, shake, combine it, and once the water, it kind of absorbs it, and open the pouch and enjoy. That's awesome, because that you don't need an oven, you don't need to heat water or anything with this. The serving size, this is actually 2 servings, and all it is just add water. And just going over the ingredients here. So 1 pack, actually I'll go over it because I'll tell you right now, I eat this whole pack by itself. It's 570 calories. Total fat's gonna be 1.5 grams. But then the biggest thing is your carbohydrates. It's 108 grams of carbohydrates. So the carbohydrates is what's gonna give you energy while you're out either mountain biking, hiking, or doing anything like that. And it's also got, you know, some protein. It's got 13 grams of protein. It's got vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium. I don't want to open this one up right now and waste it because I'm not hungry right now, but when I get out on the trail, I will be eating one of these. So I'm just want to do a quick video and show you and give you my opinion of this thing, because they taste absolutely delicious, and I highly recommend this Peak Refuel company. And this comes in a 2-pack. I got mine in a 2-pack. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Peak Refuel 13-gram pouch. See you on the next video.